Since we have loaded this bottle onto our machine now, but when we print it will rotate with high speed, so we need to check whether it can rotate firmly and stably. So we need to check whether it is okay. Okay, now you can say it's not okay. Now we need to stop it and also adjust it. It looks good. Okay, after this we need to adjust this two sides to support it. Okay, adjust here to support it to make it sure rotate stably. Okay, now we take it out. Okay, and then roll it, and then check it again. Okay, now it's not good. We still need to adjust it again. Yes. Okay. If it cannot, it's not so good, we need to adjust it again and again to make it sure rotate stably. Okay, rotate. Okay, it looks good. Then this step is okay.